Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we've got a new episode of Quick Canning Cuisine for you. This one's gonna be super duper fast. The ingredients are ugly chicken, chicken soup base, and frozen cheese tortellinis. We are making chicken tortellini soup. It's gonna be so fast. The only thing we really have to cook is the tortellini and then figure out how are we gonna use just chicken stock or are we gonna make it creamy? So we haven't figured that out yet, but here we go. This is gonna be super duper fast. I'm so excited. Ooh, I'm having a snack, y'all. All right, we're filming this in real time. There is 1 quart of stock, chicken soup base, chicken soup base, ugly chicken, we're gonna turn the fire on. We're gonna bring that to a boil. I'm gonna take the meat off these and put it in there. And then we're gonna use tortellini. Not yet.
What's for dinner?
Chicken tortellini soup. This is taking forever to come to a boil. It's close. Okay. All right. There we go. Now we need about 4 minutes. All right, there we go. 4 minutes and we're done. Because everything was cooked. We literally just had to boil this. Okay. Lid back on. Ooh, that's hot. All right, let's see if these are thawed out. And then it's time to eat. That looks good. Oh yeah, time to eat. How'd we do? Oh, 21 minutes. Nice, okay. All right, y'all, official taste testers here. It's blazing hot. So, our stock, 2 cans of chicken soup base, ugly chicken, and then 1 of the chicken legs, and then cheese tortellini from Whole Foods. So everything but the tortellini is ours. Oh,
that's chicken.
that's good. I tell you what, y'all.
That's good chicken stock. I mean,
I tell you what, the chicken legs, I am finding now that we're actually brave enough to use them, that dark meat is so good. I think we're definitely doing more chicken legs, even though they look wholly disgusting.
They look horrible, but you are right. The last couple times we've used them, we've learned if you peel them off, almost like a rotisserie chicken.
Right, right.
Don't eat it, like we're not eating it as a chicken leg. We're taking the meat off and piecing it out. You know what? That would be really good in a chicken salad.
Yes, very much so. And it only took 4 minutes to heat up the tortellini, so I like it.
That's good.
All right, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next Quick Canning Cuisine video, bye y'all.
Bye y'all.